This Roku power's on. It's got the, when you plug it in, the light comes on. It's saying that it's on. But there's no output. Nothing happens on the TV when you plug it in on your TV. There's no output. So I'm thinking there's an issue inside on the circuit board. And I'm going to open this up and see what I can find. There it is. There's the circuit board. There's not much to it. Big capacitor there. Cap is good. Easy enough to check. Gotta check the value of that cap. So that cap is still good. I'm gonna put this under the scope and just with my eyes I can't really see anything. There is a dark spot here, but it's hard to see, so I'll show you guys under the scope. So there, I've got the scope here through my camera and onto the screen, and you can see the crack right through this. It's hard to see it. By replacing that would definitely fix my Roku. So this is the chip that I need, OPA 657, and the price is $25 for one. This is where you walk away, because this is not worth brand new. I think you can get this for like $40. It's really not worth fixing. I mean, with this, and then you get a remote and you get a brand new, you know, it just doesn't make any sense. You know, sometimes you win them and sometimes you lose them. In this part, I think it's time to walk away. There's no way I'm ordering a chip that's worth 25 cents and they want $25 for it. That's crazy. Anyways, guys, this will be it for this video. Thanks for watching.